Hi everyone, welcome back to this another video. This is Ankit Kumar, and in this video we are going to solve problem number 350 from Leetcode, and the name of this problem is intersection of two arrays. So the question says that given two integers array nums1 and nums2, we need to return an array of their intersection, and each element in the result must appear as many times as it is shown in both arrays, and you may return result in any order. Now for here example 1, you can see we are given two inputs. Num1 array that has a 1, 2, 2, 1 and nums2 which has 2 and 2. So the intersection is 2 and 2 because here 2 and 2 is appearing and here in nums2 2 and 2 is appearing. So output is 2 and 2 because it says that each element in the result must appear as many times as it is in both the arrays. So now the second example, nums1 is 495 and nums2 is 94984. So the intersection is 4 and 9 because 4 and 9 appears in num1 also and in num2 also. So from the both example you got to understand that basically we need to find the intersection between two arrays. So for this we need to have one thing, that is we need to check the frequency of each element in the array, and for that we will use a hash map. So I'll create unordered map of int and int. The first will keep track of the number and the second will keep track of frequency. So it is fric, freq, fric, and next I'll create a vector int, and this will store the result. So for iterating through num1 we will use a for loop. So for auto num belongs to nums1 and we will increase the frequency of num. So frequency of num plus plus. So till now what we have done, we have iterated through num1 array and increased the frequency of each element that is present in num1. So now we will again run a for loop for nums2. So for auto num belonging to nums2 if frequency of num is greater than 0, then what we will do, we will push back to result. So result dot push back, and to ensure that each element is used as many number of times as it appears in num1, we need to decrease the frequency of num. So we are using frequency of num minus minus, and next we will return result. So I'll run this code. So here you can see it has been accepted. Now let me submit it. So here you can see this was the successful submission of this problem. I hope this explanation was clear to you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. All the very best.